Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be comparing the color blue and the pink on the new iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus lineup that you can get in. Of course, these phones comes in 5 different color shades. You have, of course, the black one. You also have the green and the yellow. You can get besides the blue and the pink one that we have here. And if you guys want to check out those unboxing video, we will leave the link for those in the comment section or the description section. But let's take a look at these and then the size difference as well. So here is the plus one and here is the regular 15. So starting with the pink regular 15. So if I take a look at it here, this is how it looks like right off the box. It's going to be this vibrant color infused back. Now it's going to matte feel to it that you'll get. That's what you're looking at. And then if we take a look at it here, that's kind of what it's going to look like for you on the front side here. A couple of noticeable thing here, you'll see here, this isn't made out of a titanium like the Pro lineup. So this is just a regular aluminum. You have the 5G mm wave here, the side button, the 48 megapixel camera, which again, the cameras are exactly like the iPhone 13 and the 14, which nothing has changed. But take a look at this here. You now have USB-C in the bottom here. You'll see here that USB-C port now available. And that's what you're looking at. It is a 6.1 inch display here. Again, beautiful phone. Of course, you do have the dynamic island, which is kind of the upgrade you're going to get from the regular 14. Now, taking a look at, let's go ahead and put this box aside and we'll take a look at our plus one. So here is the 15 Plus. Again, this one's quite a little bit bigger and it's in blue here. So we'll take a look at the blue one here. Again, this is again a very bright baby blue, I would say. Matte back, color infused back is what Apple says it. Again, similar, very similar build, right? Exactly to the other one, just bigger. It's the side button, MM wave. Again, also the USB-C port now, and then on this side, volume up and down button. Notice this still has the silent button, unlike the Pro lineup, which has the action button. So if you like the silent button for the toggle, there you go. And then from the front here, again, exactly the same. You got the dynamic island, 6.7 inch display here, 60 hertz refresh rate, unlike the Pro lineup, which has the 120 hertz refresh rate. So that's what you're looking at. And now to put it back together, here's the size comparison. If you look at it, again, I personally feel like 6.1 inch is enough for me in terms of my hand and gripping it on. But if you have a bigger hand, maybe a 6.7 inch plus size is a better option for you. That's what you're looking at. But look in the back here in terms of the color, that's what the color looks like. Baby blue versus a lighter pink is kind of the honest comparison between it. So whatever you prefer. And then of course the sides here look the same, and then this side right here, and then the bottom, of course, in different angles for you. Top. So that's what it looks like. Again, a couple noticeable things about between these two phones that I do want to mention here. 6.1 inch display and the 6.7 inch display, they do both come equipped with your A16 Bionic chip with 6 gigs of RAM, which again, really powerful devices here. Now the price point starts for the regular 15 128 gig, $799 US, and then $899 for the 256 gig, and for the 512 gig you're paying $1099. And everything for the regular 15 versus the Plus is just $100 more. So 128 gig for the Plus is $899, and then so on so forth. Pretty much the biggest difference between them is that the battery size of it. So you're going to get a lot more battery on the Plus than the regular 15 because it's just a bigger phone. Also requires a lot more power. So that's our review of it between the blue and the pink iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus color and size comparison. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to hear from you guys. Which one are you getting, if you're getting it, or which one do you like out of the colors that we've seen in the 15 lineup? Leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.